Today, we will look at what happens when white light hits a prism. Color is associated with a certain range of wavelengths visible to the human eye. Let's take a look at what we see when white sunlight hits a prism. The white sunlight hits the glass prism on one of its sides. When light passes through any prism, the light bends. When this happens, the colors that make up white light become separated. This is because each color has a unique wavelength, and each wavelength bends at a different angle. The result is a rainbow of colors: red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. This is known as the visible spectrum of light.